Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply an e-visa for Botswana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are nowadays migrating to e-visa because this just doesn't provide a convenient option to the applicants, but it also boosts tourism and it makes process simpler for everyone. All right, guys. So in front of you, I have opened official Republic of Botswana site where we have this e-visa option. You can go ahead and apply now from this link, but few things we would like to check. Okay. So if we go for the visa process, they have clearly defined the process, how it goes through with the steps, 5 steps. And if you see here, general requirements, you need passport that is at least 6 months valid and 3 or more unused pages. Recently taken photograph in JPG format not bigger than 30 KB. Size is important. All supporting document must be in English and uploaded as one PDF not bigger than 5 MB. Copies of required documents must be certified. Okay. Applicants without name surname should add apostrophe on the field to represent no name surname. Be careful with this, guys. What payments they have, they are accepting, that also they have specified. For visitor visa, this is what you need. Fee is given like 30 Botswana Pula for single entry, 500 for period of 3 months, 1500 Pula for multiple entry for period of 3 months up to 2 years. Okay, you need return ticket, you need return visa or residence permit from the country of residence. Okay, so and based on your information, some other documents. All right, that was for visitors. For tourists, tour plan and copy of travel schedule, flight booking, return ticket, confirmation of booking, 3,300 Botswana for single entry for period of 1 month, 500. So Botswana Pula is their currency. Now, important thing is like, do you really need a visa? So they have given this in link, and this is on their homepage also if you go. Okay. So whatever is your nationality, put that here. Let's say you're from India and put here. Check. Visa, yeah, you need visa for India. All right. When you're ready to apply, click on apply. Now you need to provide your information. So first they have asked for surname. So I'm just putting some sample. You need to do as per your case. Date of birth. You can select. You can navigate down, whatever is your case. Passport number. Be very careful, guys. Passport expiry date. Type of visa required. You can select. You have this drop down. Oh, yeah. Now you'll see it better. See, we have tourist. Number of entries that you have sought. Single. Now days, how many days you want to live. So let's say you want to live 20 days and your email. So I'm just putting some samples. Okay. You need to clear the capture. Then you're going to click on continue. Okay. So next step, you need to do the payment. So they have selected 300 Pula. And then once you click on play now, it will take you to the payment. And then it will take to the next page where it's going to ask you for providing the two detail, travel detail, money you are bringing, and also your stay, like general question that we see for a visa application. And on the front page, uh, we saw the checklist of documents. So they will ask you to upload them, and then they will process. And if successful, you will get the notification. So that's how it works, guys. Unfortunately, I can't take you to the next page where I show you more, but I was able to give you an idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.